Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And today is There's a Card Thursday. And I want to show you a really great card. This is stuff that we had. Now the Celebrate You thinlits will be available in the new catalog, but this is some of the foil series paper that we had for Sale-a-bration. And I just want to show you how to use that. This is a really great card. So what I'm going to be needing is I'm going to be using some Wild Wasabi and Marina Mist ink. I'm going to use a piece of cardstock. This is So Saffron, and it's 8.5 by 5.5. I'm going to use a piece of Wisteria Wonder, a 2 by 5 1/4, 4 1/4, whatever, just big enough to, and I'm going to put, I have already put, and you should put multi-purpose adhesive sheets on it. You want it big enough so you can use the Celebrate You thinlits on it, okay? So I'm going to use the multi-purpose adhesive sheets, the glue dots. I've got a couple sponge daubers I'm going to use, the Big Shot, and then of course the Celebrate You thinlits. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our springtime foils sheet, and we're going to daub some of this. Now you can do it half and half. I like to follow the branches, and usually one branch will go all the way over. So I am going to do this portion in, let's see, Wild Wasabi. And it almost like cuts in half here. And you could use sponges too if you want, but just make sure that you got it here going off, getting it fairly even on there. And then I'm going to use, I mean, this is really a quick card. You could do the whole piece of 12 by 12 if you wanted at once, and then just cut it after that. I just find it easy to do this. Now you can also use your Stampin' blends on this if you want. But I just really like, this is beautiful, isn't it? There you go. So then I'm going to take this and I'm going to cut it out, and you get something like this. So I'm going to put this on. And this is a 4 by 4, so you're going to have a little bit off. And I'm just going to take the backing off of this. So what's the multi-purpose adhesive sheet so good at? And there you go. Quick, easy, fast card. Remember to follow me on YouTube, and all the supplies are listed below. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.